Yo fam, and new wheel swap man. 71 Chevelle. It'd be cool if it was a recolor, but that probably is the recolor. And I'm behind with a lot of things because you don't find some of the really good ones around here, because by the time I get to them, they're gone. Just like that new 74 Bronco. I hope I find them. I might have to sadly go to a scalper to get some wheel swaps on, but not unless something else comes around. But yeah, I love Chevelles. I don't have that particular year or style of Chevelle body, because I like the old 69 muscle cars and that old school muscle cars. Really? Robbing an old school muscle cars? No? Yeah. Robbing an old school muscle cars? Yeah, I hope to do that around the trim of the window for some of my convertibles. Yeah, love you, man. Peace, man. Love you, man. If I didn't say it, so I did. Yeah.